It's common knowledge that swan pairs are inseparable and lifelong, but you may not know some swan pairs are both male, and this is not rare among black swans. In fact, 1 in 5 black swan pairs may be male. They share a deep bond and often stay together for life. How do they raise offspring? The answer is stealing. In a male pair, one temporarily mates and courts a female. After she lays eggs, he brings his partner, and they drive her away to incubate and protect the eggs alone. Once cygnets hatch, they care for them well. Studies show these cygnets thrive better, thanks to stronger territorial defense, better nest building, and longer care. Also, when not raising cygnets, male pairs may borrow eggs from other nests and sneak them into their own. In black swan's world, love is loyal, parenting needs strategy, and survival starts with a deception.